Singapore, make some noise! Okay. Again, before anything else, magpapakilala po muna kami.
Magandang gabi, Singapore. Ako po si Pablo. Singapore, ako po si Josh.
Hi Singapore, this is Dan.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Glenn. What's up, Singapore? This is Justin. Singapore Beyond. Let's be entertained. Let's go.
Wow!
Woo! Kamusta 18? You know what, guys? We're very happy right now because after all these tours that we've been to, this is the next biggest after our kickoff. So we're very happy that there's a lot of 18 and even Cashmos that we're able to watch right now. So we're very happy. Thank you so much, guys. How about you? You want to say anything about the 18?
Sadly, we didn't have enough time or sobrang busy namin. We had a lot of things to do the past few days. That's why we didn't have enough time, but we enjoyed the food for real. And yeah, I just want to thank Singapore fans, mga Filipinos na nandito sa Singapore. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta naman sa amin at sa pagpunta sa aming concert dito. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin lahat. Kaya gusto po namin sabihin na mahal po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Pero maibang muna ako. Kasi pagdating namin dito, sobrang ramdam agad namin yung love and effort ng team. Yung pagdating namin sa airport, grabe yung salubong nyo. Parang kami OFW na bumalik sa bansa natin. Kulang na lang i-hug nyo kami, tapos, alam mo yun. Pero grabe, sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat. Sa labas, merong fan zone. Na-enjoy nyo ba yung fan zone? Parang hindi. Na-enjoy nyo ba? Ayan, dapat ganyan. Sobrang happy kami na na-experience nyo, kung ano man yung na-experience nyo, kasi this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity na makapuno tayo ng ganitong karami. Tama ba? Tama ba? Sinold out nyo, grabe. Maraming salamat. Sobra.
Sobrang nabibigil namin yung warmth and yung energy niya. I know that we miss you so much because last time we weren't able to push through. Pero today, we have our own team. Maganda yung production. Kasama namin kayo sa malaking venue na to. Solid. And syempre, maraming salamat. Kahapon nag-busking kami. Sino yung mga matan dito? Lahat? Grabe, lahat ng matan. Ano yung concert? Pero we just want to thank you guys so much because, you know what? Para sa mga iba sa amin, hiyang-hiya kami gawin yung busking. Pero dahil may supportan nyo at may sigawan nyo, talagang sobrang hype na hype kami kahapon. So, maraming salamat sa support nyo. And sana hindi kayo magsawa. Para next time, mag-busking pa kami na mag-busking.
Yes, alam nyo, we have been really looking forward for this moment. Igilid niya ako dito, kawawa naman yung mga nasa gilid. Alam mo what? Can you still see us from here? Are you okay? Yes, I'm really look forward talaga namin itong moment na ito. To finally be here in Singapore for Simula Bukas. At alam natin, na last tour, we've had less than 1,000 audience. Pero right now, we sold out an entire, ano tawag dito? Arena or Expo Convention. And it's 7,000, di ba? Capacity 7,000, thank you so much kasi nandiyan kayo to support us. At syempre, sobrang gusto namin ma-enjoy nyo itong gabi nito. Para sa inyo yung gabing ito, para sa atin lahat. So, I hope na lahat po tayo mamaya ay syempre umuwing nakangiti. Pero, pwede ba akong mag-request? Pwede ba natin i-try na sumigaw? Dito sa left ko!
Grabe yung energy nyo. Kaya di na namin papatagalin pa. Without further ado, we present you Simula Wakas!
1, 2, 3, 4, let's go.